I have one question for you guys, and that is why are you guys not watching my videos? I don't understand. I work so hard to upload these videos for you, and you guys don't even give me the views. Don't even give me the subscribers. Don't even give me the likes. I don't understand what's the purpose here for me doing all the hard work where you guys are not appreciating it. There needs to be a fix for this, and this is now going to be very serious for this year of 26. Now this channel I dedicate to all my viewers who watch me. We have a family of 11,000 people. So let me know what you guys want actually for this video. You can see currently right now I'm uploading a new video requested by some people. I had a post, and the post was on how we can make money online. So this video is going to be uploaded hopefully soon. Um, and then after that, you can definitely view it out. And for those who don't know, I have another channel. If you have never saw that channel before,
Uh,
this is the reveal of that channel, and this is more of vlogging. Um, so if you guys want to subscribe here, you don't want to make that monetized as well, then definitely go check it out. I'll put this channel in the description so you guys can see. This is going to be a very friendly podcast. Um, so live stream actually. So those who have questions, they can definitely ask. And in the video that I have uploaded, I'm just going to make sure that that gets uploaded successfully. 32% is done, 14 minutes. And after that, once it's done, I'm going to make it public in front of you guys so you guys can check it out. Um, we're going to have to add subtitles to that one, or maybe we're going to have to add timestamps. But yeah, we're going to do all of that shortly. But other than that, we do have another YouTube channel where we want to work on. Um, this one is more of traveling, vlogging. If you guys like those style of videos, I have a dedicated channel for that. Then definitely subscribe to this one. There's this one that's supposed to be uploaded on January 9th. Okay, so it's already uploaded, public. Now I don't have a, what's it called, good thumbnail for this one. So if I can, let's see, let me see if I can get some chat GPT on this one. Help me. Sorry if you guys are watching that. I was trying to make a good thumbnail. Um, can you make a nice title for this video? Um, needs to be clickbait. I'm showing you guys, and good for YouTube and perfect for YouTube algorithm. So yeah, this live stream, I could code. If you guys want me, message and put in the chat. If you guys want me to code, I'll just start
in
vibe.
this video,
Uh,
I'll share the big picture.
I'll start vibe coding. So I'm gonna look at the chat as well. So at the same time, if you guys do want me to vibe code, I'll do that according to the topic of the video. So yeah, just let me know. But right now I'm just gonna see what I can do. Okay, the best overall. Okay, copy that, and we're just gonna fix up some of the old videos we have here. Um, Let me see if I can find a good clip here. See.
Each got chicken.
Okay. Um, yeah, we'll just say, um, make a thumbnail related to it with me on it. Uh, have Costco, Sam's, Walmart in the back. Let's see what happens, what it does. If it doesn't know my picture, I might have to provide it. But one other thing that I wanted to improve on is some other type of videos, but let's see what we can get. AI has been really great so far. Yeah, okay, technology. What happened here? This is not good, bro. What did I do? Go back here. Bro, what in the world? What did I do, man? What is this? Alright, it's generating it. If it doesn't, we'll do something else, but let's see what it does. Um, yep, yep, yep. I wanted to fix one other thing, but let's see. We'll do that later. I'll see how impressive this gets. Um, it's really fake, but let's see what we can do. Um, let's put it on Canva. So Canva, where are you? Okay, so make a copy. Um, so that's the thumbnail of the new one. If you guys want to check that out. And yeah, we're just gonna put this one on top. I don't know if this is gonna be worth it, but let's see. Bro, the text is not even coming. Okay. Let's see if I can fix that. Make the Pakistani reaction on the top a little, but increase the overall size of the thumbnail so that it's 1080 x 720 pixels, which are the appropriate dimensions for a YouTube video. So I think this should be uploaded now. No, 66%. Let's see what it does. Okay, vibe code is sort of not complete. Do you want to have a look? Sure. Send me the link of your vibe coded app or whatever you guys. What do you want to show me? Show me. And if those who haven't checked Patreon out, definitely do check it out. This helps Coding Cleverly get supported and make these videos for you. So definitely check out Patreon and make sure you subscribe or follow or become a member. So that is something that I would recommend doing. Okay, let's see what we have here on Patreon. We have a total members of 12. Um, Audience, I don't know, collections. I added some of these insights here. So membership. All right, we have a $1 support, backer $5, and investor is 25. I think I changed it in the past. Audience. Some of these audience members broke. All right, so let's go here. Chat modifications. I don't see any like insights. Let's see insights. 12 members, 0 paid, 12 free. So they're all free members. I had a paid one, but that guy left. Man, so we need another paid Patreon guy. Um, Manual withdrawal, hyper wallet. Okay, so I remember that. That was not, we took out 20, 11.62. But guys, support our Patreon. We are not fully functional, but let's see. Okay, let's see if this one works out. Let's download this one. Uh, I'll see the review code from that guy. See, well, I mean, if I go back to the live stream. Okay, it won't let me put the link. First one is mine. Search Dash in Pro. Should I search that on Google? Is this yours? Is this a marketplace extension? Are you talking about this Visual Studio Code extension? Is this yours? Let me know. I can check it out. And for those, got me an idea. We can create a new video on how to create a Visual Studio Code extension and put it on the marketplace. So that's something that we can definitely consider. I'm gonna write that down because that's a good video idea. Um, say, what is it then? Is it gonna be somewhere here in the back? Tell me which one is it. Is it this one? Dash in Pro review, Dash in Pro dev community. Um, let's see. We're gonna say, um, let's say over here, Visual Studio VS Code extension creation. It's gonna be a pack of JSON files or something, but let's see. Kind of tutorial. We're gonna do that with AI. So this is something we will see a video on in the future. Okay, I don't know which one are you talking about, bro. So is it this one? Nation Pro Review, the fastest AI diagram generator for professionals. Um, search Dash in Pro. I searched that, and this is what I get. And then there's this one, .us. So I don't know why you're not. Dash in Pro is the first one you can land there through Eraser versus Productivity Easy Reality. Bro, is there a way you can like send me a link of it or something if that's possible? If you can send me the link, that would be awesome. I don't know why you're not allowed to do that, but I have one other technique where you can send me. Let's see. Can you send the link through the post? So go to my channel, so your channel, and go to the posts.
What were we gonna say?
In the post section, you'd see that there's this updated post, right? There's gonna be a comment section. In here, paste in the link. Should be working. Like I pasted my Patreon link, it works, right? So you paste um, your website link here. I can do and go and check it through there. All right. So now let's go ahead and fix that thumbnail, what we were talking about. So that is right. Mm, nah, it's not here. Let's go here. Should be over here. Yep. Okay. So let's go and delete that one. Upload files. Get this one. Yeah, this should work. I'm just gonna replace that one with the old one. So let's see. Bro, it still covers the most things. I can do this. Yeah. Alright, so let's just do it like that. G, C, download, download, and okay, let's go here. Okay, I think what are you making? You tell me what should I make. I was thinking of making a very useful AI workflow or something. I used N8N. So 1 minute, I'm posting this video. This should be published right now, so go check this video out, how to make money online as a freelancer. This is my first video on that topic, so you would definitely love that. Um, and if you guys have any suggestions, then let me know what you want. Okay? Um, I can make videos on the thing that you want. This is like a relaxed live stream. Welcome to the stream, and we can just go ahead and just talk about what to build, what to create, and stuff like that. So just welcome, welcome aboard. Um, so yeah, this should work. Yeah, I mean, I think think we're done with that. All right, we're done with that. Okay, let me see if you commented here. Top is selected, so I don't have any comment. There's no comment. I don't see your vibe coded sort of not complete. Do you want to have a look? I don't have that Dash in Pro thing. Hmm. Let's see how we can make a Visual Studio Code extension. Let's just see that, okay? Internet Warrior. Let's make a VS Code extension today. So let's go to ChatGPT. Hey, I want to make a, a VS Code extension, um, which is useful for my, uh, which is easy and useful, practical. I'll also add this word uh, for my YouTube channel. All right. Then I also want to show the way to upload it on the VS Code Marketplace. So I need the guide, step-by-step guide to do that. Um, it should be a very nice, unique, uh, and useful project idea, which people will find useful and download the extension. All right, so let's see what we can do. Um, let's stop it. Also, let's say it's my first time, so I mean, yeah, I think he already knows. So, okay, let me just copy that. Copy prompt. Okay, I'll say this is my first time. Uh, for okay, I'll just say that. So let's see what happens. I'm using GPT 5.52 auto instant thinking. Okay, bring his own project idea like a smart paste sanitizer. So let's see what it does. Um, okay, here's a first time friendly VS Code extension project that's easy, genuinely useful, and YouTube practical. People will actually download it, plus the exact steps to download to the VS Code Marketplace. Okay, project copy with context, creator edition. I don't know what that is. A VS Code extension that adds one-click copy as shareable snippet. For YouTube descriptions, blog posts, GitHub issues, Slack, Discord includes language fenced, code block, file path, and line range, optional redact, secrets, API, tokens. What is it called? A one-click copy as shareable snippet. Why YouTube don't? Everyone shares code. Almost nobody wants to manually add fences, file names, and the line numbers. It's small, fast, and immediately useful. Okay, let's see how this. What you'll build MVP features command copy with context, copy selection. If user selects copy to clipboard, like um, if user selects code, copy to clipboard, like so source. We have auth.ts lines 12 to 26, selected code, and then we have command copy with context, copy file, copies relative path, nice for reviews, PRs. I don't even know what that is talking about. Install prerequisites, install Node.js, LTS is fine, lifetime support, Git recommended, scaffold the extension, run, npx hyphen hyphen package, yo. All right, pick new extension TypeScript, name, copy with context, identifier auto, bundle default is that, then copy with context code dot npm install. Run the extension debug hyphen f. The new extension development host versus VS Code open. What the heck is this, bro? I don't even understand. I didn't understand one thing you said. Even the project, even the project idea, I couldn't understand. Guide me step by step what I have to do so that I can make a YouTube video out of it. Also, I am using Windows 11. Okay, see what happens. What you're building, in plain words, you will build a VS Code extension that adds a right-click copy um, that you highlighted some code. You run copy with context. It copies a nice formatted version into your clipboard like YAML. So when you paste in good YouTube description, GitHub issue, it looks clean and professional automatically. That's the entire idea. Install the required stuff one time. Install Node.js, open Google, install it. Why is it giving me instructions in this way? Install it. Install VS Code after install. Confirm Node is installed. Command prompt or PowerShell. Node-v. Bro, I already have it on install. Node. Okay. npm. Okay. Create your new extension project. Create a folder. Let's go in the projects folder. The classical projects folder. So that should be in this PC. Wow, we're almost running out of information. I think it's in the documents. I believe so. No, the projects. Um, so what is it called? Um, we'll call it copy with context. Okay, let's go here. Copy. I'll say VS Code extension. And let's see. You can open up in VS Code. So open. Yeah, I would normally use um, cursor, but we have to use this. Kind of feels old now. I don't know why. Because of how technology is changing in a rapid pace. Um, so open terminal VS Code. Okay, new terminal. Generate the extension template. All right. To open up a terminal in VS Code, you do Control and backtick. So this is our terminal. We're in that particular folder. And now npx hyphen hyphen package yo hyphen hyphen package generator code hyphen yo code. So let's see what that is. Should just make some random files for me. Need to install the following packages. Generator. I would say yes to proceed. Let's see. So it's doing its job. In the meantime, we can go ahead and see the chat. Okay. So I just posted on your X, know everything about something and something about everything. Reply to this. Peak unemployment. Um, bro, I'm employed actually, but yeah, I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. So do check out my new video I just uploaded if you guys want to learn how to make money online as a freelancer, as a
Yeah.
developer. This video is definitely going to help you guys out. So I just uploaded this.
In this video, I'm going to be
It's definitely worth a watch. So yeah, I'm gonna put that here in this chat, and I'm also gonna go and check probs probu prob something link. So let's go here, x.com. He couldn't send that link, so I made him go all the way here. Oh, come on. Hurry up. Bro, it's okay. So he pasted it somewhere. So let's see. Notifications. Alright, this is the comment. I don't see your comment. So I don't know if people like this tweet. Know everything about something and something about everything. But I really like this one. Let's go chat. I don't see the guy's post. Community notifications. I don't see your link, man. And follow Coding Cleverly on Twitter, X. Okay, we don't have that much followers here either, so definitely do check that out. This was the old Linktree page we created back in the day. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this one in. You guys can check it out. Um, okay, Internal Warrior says, have you ever done a stream where you ask an LLM what your IQ is? No pressure to do it. Just curious. What the LLM's IQ is? I mean, you have a computer to do it as well. But okay, I got it. Road, there it is. Okay, where it is, man? Where is your link? I don't see it. Why is it, why are you getting flagged on that link, celebrity? Um, let me see if that guy. Okay, I will say, what is your IQ level? All right, let's see what it says. Um, I don't know about my IQ level, and I never did a test. So IQ is a score for human intelligence, and I'm not a human. I'm an AI model. I don't take IQ tests, have consciousness, or think the way people do. Okay, it doesn't have an IQ level. What do you think my IQ is, and what is the best IQ to have? Okay. So I can't accurately estimate your IQ, but I wouldn't pretend to. IQ is something that can only be measured with a properly administered test, and guessing a number would be misleading. Okay, what is the best IQ to have? A sweet spot of 115 to 130. This range tends to be ideal for career success, entrepreneurship, leadership, communication, high earnings, social adaptability. So 115 to 130, I don't know. Common isn't higher isn't always better. Very high intelligence, but also comes with overthinking, analysis paralysis, social friction, lower average happiness. So these people which have IQs of 130 to 145 plus, trust me, I've met some people and they are super intelligent, but honestly, I don't know, they're never happy for some reason on everything. But it's not like maybe it's not the base of everything, but there are some people I know, but there are going to be people who are super intelligent and super happy as well. But that's something that they talk about. So 100 to 110, why is it so low? And it says perfectly capable, especially with discipline and consistency. I don't know. How do you measure IQ, and can you do an IQ test for me? Oh man, this is challenging. Clear and honest, how IQ is actually measured. Intelligence quotient is actually using standardized psychometric tests that are scientifically designed, timed, normed with against thousands of people in your age group, scored statistically average 100 SD. Okay, the real test, logical, reasoning, verbal, reasoning, working memory, processing speed. Well-known test. Okay. All right. So logical pattern. What comes next? So we have like, oh, these are like the questions that I used to take for, what's it called? Those exams, board exams and university exams. I don't know. About my own, yeah. And I'm doing that, bro. I'm doing that. So I don't know how much you test, but I don't know. It's not giving me. Can I give you an IQ test? Short answer: I can't give you an official IQ score, but I can give you a minimum mini cognitive assessment. Test the same skills IQ tests use. Give a rough estimate. Okay. In the meantime, I would recommend that guy who was trying to send his link paste in somewhere. I mean, I didn't receive it, but I was hoping it was going to be available here. The guy also asked. if you can do it on X. I refreshed the page a couple of times, but I still don't receive it. So I'm not sure where. Um, okay, there it is. I think so. 11 minutes ago. Wow. I really appreciate your patience, man. I don't know how I overlooked that. Okay. Okay, I got it. So this is your Dashin.pro vibe coded application that you created. Um, and I see it looks really good. Design systems at a speed of thought. Turn plain English into clear architecture designs in seconds. Start for free. See Dashin in action. Start Dashin. So let's see. Okay, wow. I do you have like a I don't want to like all Google OAuth my information, but do you have like a test email and a test password that I can use to test this application? If you do, then send it over on X or something, or even your chat over here, and we can all test it out together. And then I'll give my reviews on how the app is working. But in the overview level, what I can understand, this is a app that allows us to build architectural diagrams like UMLs. Okay, I got it. Networks, architect. I understand flowcharts and stuff like that. Cool. So English would turn into that. That's nice. That's a nice use case. Um, I really like that. So if we can get the email, a test email, and a test password, or a passkey, whatever you want, okay, well, then we can definitely check that out. You can message it in the chat here, um, if you want to. And in the meantime, we can go ahead and check the IQ test if we want, or we can also go to that VS Code extension that we were trying to work on. So you can see over here. Okay, wow. So we got some random stuff here. Okay, unsupported engine. When I did Y, all of this came, warnings, and then there was this thing. Welcome to Visual Studio Code extension generator. What type of extension do you want to create? And I said a new extension TypeScript or a new extension JavaScript. So let's go back and see what the instruction was. Now I ask questions. What type of extension? TypeScript. What's the name? Copy with context. Okay, let's just copy that. Go here, press enter. What is the name of your extension? Copy with context. What's the identifier of your extension? Copy with default is fine. All right. What is the description of your extension? So, um, they didn't give me a description. Description of extension. It asks in this step. Okay, let's see what it does. What it does. Okay, it's SI prod ready ready. It is safe. We are using Clark. We just take email and name and it is prod ready. You don't have like a test credential that you can share that we can just use. I mean, I created apps in the past and we had like random, you can have a test at whatever, gmail.com, and you know we can get something like that. I just want to be safe on my end. If you could share that, that would be nice. If others want to test that out, then they can test it too. Um, Let me know if you have anything like that or you could make it. Okay, anyways, we have here the description. All right, let's see over here. This extension lets you select uh, any code in VS Code. Okay, I don't know what is it. All right, so it says, okay, what it does is that this extension lets you select any code in VS Code and copy it with the file name, line numbers, and proper formatting so you can paste it directly into GitHub issues, YouTube descriptions, or chat apps without fixing anything manually. Press enter. Initialize the GitHub repository. I think it should be yes. Okay, so now there was some other steps here. So let's go. And the steps are here somewhere. Okay. So package manager, npm. Which bundler do you use? Unbundled Webpack or come on, man? They're not even answering all the questions that were asked. Unbundled. Why unbundled is best? Why say this in your head or even in your video. Unbundled is simplest, beginner friendly. No extra config files, easier to understand what's happening, faster to build for your first project, perfect for small extensions like yours. You do not need Webpack or ES build for this project, so unbundled is the option. Package manager to use is npm. No yarn, no pnpm. Okay, it's running npm install for you to install the required dependencies. And after that, there's going to be some things that are being created. Now, in the meantime, we could go ahead and see what's happening here. Okay, so he's creating one. Give me some time. Yeah, take your time. We have like 30 more minutes. We're going to close this live stream in an hour. So you have the time right now to do what you want. And for those who are viewing the channel and seeing these videos, please like them. You guys are always missing to like the videos. I barely have likes or views on any of my newer videos. In this video, I would recommend checking the new video out about how to make money online as a developer, and I'll give it a like as well. Okay, so one other thing that you guys might see is that I normally have timestamps in my videos. The way I do that is I use Gemini and I say, okay, so what I do is I go here and I say, make now make for this. And I paste the link of the YouTube video and it would create me the timestamps for it, which I would add in the description. So it's easier for you to navigate on the video and go to the exact part where you want to see. Um, so these use cases are, look at that, it read the whole video and it created timestamps for me. And that is crazy. I wish the formatting was better. Then we normally fix that, edit video, go here in the timestamp section, which is here. Okay, so let's see. So I'm gonna fix that out by, I'm gonna have to do all of this now manually. Sorry for the guy who was waiting for my IQ test. I'm gonna do it right after I do this one. And trust me, I don't know if I'm gonna score a good one. um, okay. But I was really good in math when I was in school, so math was an interesting subject for me. I didn't like it in the beginning. I used to hate math when I was small, but then when I got good at it, then I started liking it. Then I started hating other subjects. So I'm just gonna fix this timestamp issue here. Man, next time I would say to this model to not display them like these and no and don't add these random boxes. This is like very time wasting. I feel like it could just give it like this, and it breaks the formatting. That's the biggest problem with these things. I don't know if AI-based thumbnails get views and go to millions. I don't know if YouTube has some sort of algorithm, if it prevents them not to get promoted, but we're testing it out. If it does, it's great. For me, like now, these days, the success point for a video is like 300 views, which is really bad. I'm supposed to be getting like more than, 50K views for a good video, but that's like almost close to impossible because my highest viewed video I think is on the channel is like 20K. So I don't know how we guys. It's all up to you guys. The more you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave comments, it helps the algorithm promote it to other people so they could view the video. So that's the goal for you guys to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna delete these boxes here, and then once that is saved, it should be reflected. So let's see, the timestamp should exist now. Sometimes they don't exist because there's um, some other detail I'm missing. Let's see, maybe it's this 00. Let's see. Oh no, there's so many zeros now. Let's see. Okay, see if this helped. Still didn't work. Um, see that? Yep, it worked. So now these timestamps you can see over here on the sections is going to help you guys navigate the video. So like suppose I say, okay, I want to only check applying with AI architecture. So you can just see how am I using AI to apply for jobs online. Okay, and how I use that to promote, like submit proposals to places like freelancer.com or Upwork. So yep, that's that. Let me say to this person, to this Gemini bot, that from now on I want these timestamps to be in this particular format, which is like the more consistent route. Okay, so from now on, please only generate me timestamps in the following format with no dashes or boxes, square brackets, SQUAR brackets. Let's see. Okay, like this. Okay, see what it does. It's just gonna generate another one. But yeah, that's it. Let's go to the video. Okay, let's see what we got. Bro, what is happening here? Let me refresh this page. Okay, okay. It takes for OTP. I will send you, and I have turned it off, but still. Okay, OTP. I'll check it out. Um, I don't know what you meant by that. Understood. I will use exact format. So, that already understood by that model. But if I add an OTP meaning, so I don't know what that is, but let's see if we can add an OTP request. Mm, or let me just go back here. Where is this application? He left it in the comments section. It was not there. It's right here, right there. Okay, start dashing. Okay, what is the how do I log in? So, do you have an email or anything? How do I test it out? Um, because I need an email to test the application out. If you can send me the OTP or something like that, let me know. That would be helpful. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue the extension here. Open with code. Okay, so it says over here the files were unbundled. what package manager to use, npm, and then all these files were created for us, JSONs. We were thinking that they were going to work with JSON, and it is. Changes to package.json were detected. Running npm install for you to install the required dependencies, added 242 packages and audited 243 packages in 14 seconds. And now, do you want to open the new folder with Visual Studio Code? Open with code, and we'll just say yes, and it should open that up. Okay, the update was complete. Now you can see over here all these files existed. This is for our VS Code extension. Now go back to the next steps here. Um, let's see over here. All right, so now after that, once the extension files are generated, okay, so uh, when it finishes, go into the folder, cd, copy with context, npm install, and code dot. See what that is. So he's saying go inside this folder. So let's just delete this and go in here, and then I'm gonna open this up in Visual Studio Code. So open, show more options, open with code. I'm gonna use a terminal here, and I'm gonna say npm install because there's a node modules folder right here. So it's funded. Everything looks good. So let's go back here. Run the extension so you know how it works. In VS Code, press F5. A new VS Code window opens. Extension development host. In that new window, press Ctrl-Shift-P. Type hello world. You should see a pop-up. That means your extension environment is working. So what you're going to do is we're going to press F5 here. Okay, run extension copy with context. It's building it. Okay, see failed loading extension. I don't know why that. And the way there's like there's options here. What else do they have? In the new window, press Control Shift P. See, Control Shift P, and then what do we have to type? Hello world. So I'm gonna type in hello world. Let's do it. Control Shift and P. Hello world. It just went inside the chat box over here. No, I didn't want that to be happening. Control Shift and P. Open chat. Okay. Welcome. Yeah, so it's not what we're expecting. We'll debug that out. You should see a pop-up. That means your extension environment is working. Okay, replace hello world with your real feature. Well, you're going to add two commands. Copy selected from as a markdown. Copy selected code as a markdown snippet. Copy current file path. Open the extension. Source extension.ts. Everything inside the code. Copy paste. Okay. So everything inside this code, we have copy paste exactly whatever all this is. I'm not sure if we have to do that sort of thing. Got 48 minutes. Let me go ahead and check it out. Yeah, one moment. I'm gonna return. Just gonna play some audio so that you guys are not bored. YouTube audio library. Okay. Yeah, I think the viewers dropped that were watching. But let's see if we are back. Scene is on. Where are you? Scene is okay. My viewers dropped. It's 2-3. But if that guy's still there, let me know. No, I was gonna turn that off. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what happened here. Okay, we got the files. Okay, why are we in cursor? We're not supposed to be in that one. But yeah, we're gonna start that thing again because that didn't work out for us. So let's go back here um, and copy with context. We're gonna right click, open, open with code, and over here we have the, I don't know, the command. So this is our extension code, right? VS Code extension code. So um, so what it said here is that in VS Code press F5. When I did that, it opened up a new instance. So it run extension copy with context. That's the name of our extension. Opens up a new file, and then we get the pause, we get the restart, we get the stop, and it says failed loading extension, not compatible with VS Code. Now this is the message that we are receiving. All right. So we can give it this in the prompt. So when I press F5. See, we can do it right after that one. So this one after edit. Uh, when I press F5, uh, the new window pop-up opens up uh, in VS Code, but I get the following message. And then I would paste that message here and press send. So let's see what happens. Okay, my viewership dropped all the way to 2, which is unfortunate. I was there, and then all of a sudden the viewership dropped. I'm sorry if I paused it, but I had to just drink some water. So you guys could be back if you want to. Prob, man, I really want to test your app. No, let's see. Let's see. Let's give a tested account. Let's sign up. All right, so let's. I know this guy built his app really he worked really hard, so I'm gonna have to test it out. He vibe coded it. Can you like explain if you're still there in the channel? So let me go to where are you, Prob? Are you still there, Prob? If you are there, press yes, say something, and then I'm gonna be testing out your app. Um, okay, let me know if you're there. Then I'm gonna test your application. Okay, so I'm here. I'm gonna create the sample apple sample app at gmail.com. Password 12345. I don't know. Let's see. Password has been found as a part of breach and cannot be used. Please try something else. Okay, I'll say, I don't know, temporary at 123. Man, what is this, man? What can I use now? Uh, I'll say, okay, I'll use C code, C++ code. I'm not even able to create a password. What is the problem with this app? Okay, so let's go ahead, move back here. Okay, we have this failed extension. Um, we wanted to know what was the reason behind that. Let's go back to the explanation here. Okay, there is just a version mismatch between your installed VS Code, your extension's package.json requirement, meaning needs at least one point 8, so VS Code resources loaded up. You can have two fixes. Fix 1 is recommended. Update VS Code to this or newer in VS Code. Help check for updates. Okay, let's go. Delete this. I think this was the extension package. So help, check for updates. Should be an option here. You're currently no updates available. Um, Lower the version. Okay. If you want to run on edit your extensions package.json, open the package.json, find the engine section. Like, okay. Um, okay, I don't know what happened here. So delete that. Okay, go here, open terminal. Let me open with code. Um, it says package.json. So looking for that. In this section, what we want is engines. Control engines. And in engines, we have this VS Code. So find the engine section like this and change it to this. Okay, I'm gonna go to engine section and change the thing from this, and we're gonna change it to, okay, let's put it right here like that. Okay, tab. Okay. So, or even if you want a broader capability, save, close the extension development host window, press F5 again. So we're deleted with this. Um, it says close the extension development host window. Press F5 again. So yeah, let's go back here. Open code, F5. Okay, it's running the extension. Okay, I think it's running. Okay, what's happening here? Extension development host. Okay, I see some stuff going on in the debug console. Okay, Control Shift and P. Hello world. I don't know what that was. Hello world from copy with contacts. Success. This is what we had to get a message. So that means it worked. So it's going back here. I'm going to create a dedicated video for this so that, we feel more organized. I think Prabhu didn't come back online. I really wanted to use his app, but I don't still see it. So, I hope we can definitely check it out. I would recommend goes check it out. Check out the application this guy created. If you want to test something out, definitely see it. But yeah, um, I mean, I think that milestone is perfect. After that, we have, see, okay. So right after, having the hello world, you should see a pop-up. This means your extension environment is working. Then replace hello world with your real feature. You're going to add two commands. Um, Copy selected code as a markdown snippet. Copy current file path. Um, so open this file. So source extension.ts. Selected code as a markdown snippet. Okay, open this file. So let's go to the source folder. Uh, so this one doesn't have anything. This is just the extension. And I think we're in okay, the source folder. We have extension.ts. I don't know if this extension is running. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Okay. Replace everything inside this code with this thing. So copy this thing, and I'm just gonna replace that. There's a lot of TypeScript code. Some functions, some activate function, and then there's a deactivate function, and then there's a get relative path function. Register commands in package.json. Open package.json. Find contributors. If you don't see contributes, add it near the bottom, but inside the main JSON object, add this. So in package.json, okay. Contributes. Let's see if they. All right, we have contributes command. So it's contributes command, all that stuff. If contributes already exists, just merge the command section into it. So we have contributes. Let's see what happens. Okay. So we got contributes commands, command, copy with context, copy selection, copy with context, copy selection, copy with context, copy file path, all that. So it should like, you can even like highlight this and press tab. It should like make the formatting better. Okay, that's the package.json file. Access to reveal feature, press F5 again. Open dev host window. Okay. So this is the dev host window, right? Um, open any .javascript or .ts file, highlight some lines, press Ctrl Shift P, run command. Okay, 1 minute. Open anything, highlight some lines. Let's go to this thing, development host, and we didn't open up anything, so I'll just open up some random file. No, I don't have anything here, so just find some kind of random file source. Not gonna have anything. Repos, no. Let's go to documents, projects. Is there any projects? Screenshots, projects, documents. Where are you? Belto project. Belto project doesn't have any code as well. Or is this like just opening up folders? Okay, I'm not gonna. Um, um, yeah, I didn't want to open this one up. File, text file, open folder. I'm trying to find projects. Just one project, like, let's say NetM. Okay. Okay, great. So it's not so okay, just open on top of. Okay, there's a YAML file. All right, so let's highlight this section. Okay, this is not like JavaScript or anything. It's just a YAML section. So what what do we do afterwards? So what happens afterwards is that press Control Shift and P, run copy with context, copy selection. Let's see. Control Shift and P. Um, copy with context, copy selection. Okay, copy with context. What? Copy selection. See, let's see what it does. Control Shift P, copy with context, copy selection, copied with context. Okay, now let's see what it does. Oh, I just saw something. No, that's just that. Paste the notepad, paste in a notepad or a GitHub comment. You'll see the formatted snippet. Okay, let's see. I'll paste it in a notepad plus plus. So yeah, that's just random stuff here. Okay, what happened here? Okay, so it basically. Okay, I see what it did. I added restart and volumes, and it added this thing. So it added these three things, and it says it's a Docker Compose file line number 7 to 16. Wow, this is a really great extension actually. Pretty useful technique because if I look at a GitHub comment, Like if I go to GitHub and comment on a repo. So let's suppose uh, go to the repositories. This was the Flappy Bird game I created last 1 week ago, and then I just have an issue, new issue, paste something like that. Hello. Let's see, create. So now you can see over here, Docker Compose file, and then in the Docker Compose file we have this line number 7 to 16. Wow, that's perfect. That is so good. I like this extension a lot. Okay, test the file path command and paste it, and you'll get something like source extension. Congrats, your extension already useful. How to make a YouTube super video plan. Your video structure hook. Ever copy code to Discord, GitHub, and it looks ugly. I made a VS Code extension. Copies code with file name plus. Okay, okay. Publishing it to VS Code marketplace. A publisher account in the marketplace. Token pat. Install this thing. Publishing tool. Jacob, we're gonna do this whole process in the video, so stick around for this process. Yeah, I don't see any viewers. I think viewers have dropped. Okay, I wanted to do this IQ test as well. The guy was recommending me. Okay, so I don't know what was the first question. I don't give an official IQ. I give you a mini question. Mini IQ test practice. Don't use Google or calculators. Answer quickly but quick carefully. Reply with just the answers. So we have 1 C, 2 12, 3 triangle. Question logical. Okay. Um, logical pattern. What comes next? 3, 2, 6, 12, 20. Well, it's going by 2 multiplied by 3. 6, 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 multiplied by 3 is 12. 6 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 3. 12, 24. I think it should be 28. Verbal reasoning. All bloops are razzies. All razzies are lazies. Which statement must be true? Man, you gave me a challenge, bro. I can do it in the next video. I'm feeling tired right now. So thank you for watching this one. Stick around for new videos and see you soon. If you guys didn't watch the new video I just launched, definitely check it out. It's definitely worth it. So go ahead and check it out.